terms Okra and Okraa in the Akan language are the male and female terms for soul, divine consciousness. In Afurakani, Afuraitkaitnit, African, Black, Ancestral Religion and Culture, we have a proper understanding of the soul, which is an actual deity assigned to dwell with us throughout our lifetimes. This deity, a male deity for males and female deity for females, dwells within the head region of the Afurakani, Afuraitkaitnit, African Black individual, and is assigned to us by Nyamewaa-Nyame, Amenet Amen, the Great Mother and Great Father who together comprise the Supreme Being. The pseudo-religions of Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Hebrewism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Taoism have put forward a false definition of the nature of the soul. This is because the whites and their offspring do not possess this deity. The Okra in Akan, called Ori Inu in Yoruba and Se Lido in Vodoun, is a deity who we communicate with and who communicates with us. It is through the Okra, the soul, that we learn our divine function in creation and how to execute that function. The empowerment and guidance we receive from the Abosom and Nsamanfo, Orisha and Egungun, Deities and Ancestral Spirits, revolve around the instructions given to us by our own Okraa, soul. This is the foundation of authentic spirituality, including our religious expressions in North America: Hoodoo, Akan, Voodoo, Eve, Juju, Yoruba, Wanga, Ovambo, Nganga, and more. Our course is based upon our book, The Okraa Complex, the Soul of Akanfo.